Good morning, dear students. Once again, we are here to discuss our DOE worksheet 44, which is from your chapter tissue. Okay, and today we will start our new chapter tissue. And in this worksheet, we will discuss about the various type of tissues present in the plants. Okay, see, Gyan asked, how do the cell in our body work? Do all the plant cells function the same way as our cell work? Didi replied that animal and plant cells both are multicellular organisms, and these are made up of many different type of cells. All the cells are not able to perform all the function. So the a group of cells that are similar in structure and performing the same function is known as tissue. What is tissue? Tissue is the group of cells that are similar in structure and performing the same function. So different type of tissue combine together to form organ which are capable of performing a specialized function in these organisms, and plant and animal both have different type of specialized tissues and organs to perform the specific function. Okay, see uh, see all the cells together they form combine together they form tissue. When tissue combine they form organ. When organ combine they form organ system, and when organ system combine they form body. So the similar type of cells combine and they form tissue, and tissue perform a same or a particular function. When all tissues they combine together they form organ. When all organ are combined they form organ system, and all other organ system they form body. Like we have organ like in your worksheet they have shown you heart, we have kidneys, we have lungs, we have nose, we have eyes. They all are organs and they combine to form organ system, right? And all the organ system, like whether it's a digestive system, whether it's a reproductive system, whether it's a excretory system, whether it's a respiratory system, all system together they form body. Okay, so animal tissue, most of the part of animal tissue are living. They need lot of energy and their growth is balanced and controlled. Okay, uniform growth is there, you can say. But in case of plant do not show locomotion, as we all know. So the most of the tissue of the plant are provide support to the plant, and most of them are made made up of dead cell, and thus the growth in the plant is restricted to only few parts they need. That is why they need less energy. Okay, some of the tissue keep on dividing throughout the life. In plants some of the tissue divide throughout the life, and plant tissue can be grouped into two parts, meristematic and permanent. And let's study about the meristematic tissue. The plant grow through the certain specific parts only, and it is due to the presence of dividing tissue, and this is known as dividing tissue also. This type of tissue are called meristematic tissue. So one mark question is there, name the dividing tissue. So in the plants you can write the meristematic tissue. These tissue have the ability to keep on dividing, and they are three types. Again they are three types: apical, intercalary and lateral. See, this is the diagrammatical representation of the types of meristematic tissue. The top we have apical meristematic tissue, which is present in the growing part of the plant, that is tip of the root and stem, and causes increase in the length. Okay, whereas intercalary meristems, they are present in at the base of the leaf and internode. See, you can see easily from the intercalary is present over here at the node. Okay, or you can say at the internode, and they are present at all the base of the leaf and internode of the twig. and lateral meristem's growth in the girth of the stem or the root is due to the lateral meristematic tissue or cambium. It provides the growth in the width. Okay, so this is known as lateral meristem. Growth is in the girth of the stem or the root is due to the lateral meristematic tissue or called cambium. Now, properties of meristematic tissue: the cells are highly active and they keep on dividing. They have lot of cytoplasm, thin cells, and well defined, and they do not have vacuoles, Let's do practice exercise. What are tissues? So you can write the definition of tissue from here. This is the answer of your first question. Write the two difference between plant and animal tissue. You can write these difference, like animal, they most of the part of the animal tissue are living, but they are dead. They need more energy, they need less energy, and their growth is balanced and controlled, whereas their growth is taking place at a very particular places and not dividing throughout the life. Okay, next question we have: what is the different type of meristematic tissue and where they are located? Students who can write the answer of this question is from here, and you have to draw this diagram also. What are the characteristics of meristematic tissue? You can take the help from here. So this is all about your today's worksheet. I hope you understand it and you definitely like the video, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you students. Take care.